First of all, very profitable, no? Kasi napakamahal yung giant clam. Actually, to get ang punto nila dito to extract the giant clam. Pero yung giant clam kasi that's embedded na nasa loob ng mga coral reef yan. Kasi yung giant clam lives for about 100 years, no? But when it becomes adult, let's say 20 years, hindi na makagalaw yan. The corals will grow over it and then it dies. Pero andoon pa rin yung shell. Ang importante dyan yung shell. So madami yung giant clams na patay na, nakabaon dyan sa mga coral reef na yan. To get these giant shells dead, you have to excavate the corals and then dig the giant shells there, no? So kaya sinisira lahat nila yung coral reef to get the giant clams. Kasi ang mahal dyan, yung shell. Kasi kina-carve nila yan into decorative artifacts. Very expensive. You can go to Alibaba, makita mo yan. Binibenta nila mahal, no? Thousands of dollars per artifact. So, yan. Because they don't care about the environment. Bali, wala sa kanila yun. Sisirain nila yung marine environment. Wala sa kanila yun. Ang habol nila, yung giant clam kasi napakamahal yan. Itong mga Chinese naman, alam naman talaga nila deep in their heart, hindi naman sa kanila yon. So, uubusin na lang nila.